Koi. Day. Koi. Day. My people. Tori don baje. Ewe o. Kaya ya. My people. This woman come to tell us a story. And this woman say, love Ada, I don't marry Baje. He said the husband she married this guy just 5 years ago. And everything was okay. Oh. And this man loved her a lot. But what happened? She went to work and majestically coming back. Piam. What happened? Immediately she entered her house. She got her husband with another woman. Hey! Got her husband live and direct with another woman. My sister, my brother, what happened? This woman said that she never know that this her humble, lovely husband can ever cheat on her. Her mind is broken. And she packed her things. And she already showed me her things. And she said she wants to go. My people, what do you think? You will answer her. Love Ada, Madam the madam, I'm dancing for you. This thing na small thing o. Now you enter marriage. Marriage don't come. What I have to tell you is this. Forget about this. I know you are being pained. You are unhappy. And that's why you can see a lot of demonstration that I'm doing. So that you will be happy when you see me. Make yourself happy and balance in this marriage. You're already there with your 3 kids. Don't mind this man. But I want this man to watch this video. Any man where they carry woman for his own matrimonial house or bed, Holy Ghost fire pursue you. Men, you don't take. Since we una go know or get sense. How can a man carry woman enter house? Men, they use guy, they do things. Real men, they use guy, they do things. I don't talk and say if I won't come my next word, I will be a man. So that when I live my life, some men, they will know that this life is not good for you to behave anyhow. Because you're a man does not mean that you just live your life like a goat or a sheep. Don't. Instead, live your life like a human. Live a life that someone who have conscience. This thing that you are doing to someone, if they do the same thing to you, how will you feel? Oga, how will you feel? Will you be happy coming home, meet your wife on that matrimonial bed with another woman? What will you do? They will ask. They will carry cutlass. Do this one, carry on. What will you do? My people, just put something for this woman. Madam, forget this thing, oh. Go find where you go chop pepper soup, sit down, or you eat catfish. Enjoy yourself like that. Forget this thing. Real marriage don't start. And don't use it against him. Instead of where you go come buy the man, may you go. Because now the thing where the women they do now, when me I they say,